Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today in this video I will show you how you can create this interesting animations using video or open camera. So you can upload your own video. So I'm using the existing video that is already available. You can also open the real-time camera and you can see these animations. So in this website you can add these image tracking animations to your video. So you can see the speed which can be adjusted here. I'm going to keep it at 1x. So now if I want the performance of it, I can give higher performance also. So you will see this more of these animations. So now if I want to change that to square, I can change that to square. If I want to change that to circle, I can change that. If I want to label it, see these labels here, object 1, object 3. Now if I want to change it to frames, these are L frames, these are X frames, this is a grid, these are particles, these are dashes, this is scope. So these are various kinds of animations. So now if I want to change it to a thermal, I can do that. This is invert, this is tone, blur, X-ray. So I can use all these kinds of effects on the video that I have uploaded. This is the line style. Now if I don't want this, I can just keep it like that. Now you see this how the lines are. If I want to change that, I can change that. If I want to change that to dash line, I can do that. So this is the bounding size. If I want to add an audio to it, then I can do that here too. So here I can change the color and text. See, so it has a lot of functionalities to create these kinds of animations, which is quite unique and is not available in most of the other sites. That is why I am showing it to you here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.